Climate change can be mitigated by reducing the rate at which greenhouse gases are emitted into the atmosphere, and by increasing the rate at which carbon dioxide is removed from the atmosphere. In order to limit global warming to less than 1.5 degrees Celsius, global greenhouse gas emissions needs to be net zero by 2050, or by 2070 with a 2 degrees Celsius target. This requires far-reaching, systemic changes on an unprecedented scale in energy, land, cities, transport, buildings, and industry. The United Nations Environment Programme estimates that countries need to triple their pledges under the Paris Agreement within the next decade to limit global warming to 2 degrees Celsius. An even greater level of reduction is required to meet the 1.5 degrees Celsius goal. With pledges made under the Paris Agreement as of October 2021, global warming would still have a 66% chance of reaching about 2.7 degrees Celsius. Range 2 to 3.2 degrees Celsius by the end of the century. Globally, limiting warming to 2 degrees Celsius may result in higher economic benefits than economic costs. Although there is no single pathway to limit global warming to 1.5 or 2 degrees Celsius, most scenarios and strategies see a major increase in the use of renewable energy in combination with increased energy efficiency measures to generate the needed greenhouse gas reductions. To reduce pressures on ecosystems and enhance their carbon sequestration capabilities, changes would also be necessary in agriculture and forestry, such as preventing deforestation and restoring natural ecosystems by reforestation. Other approaches to mitigating climate change have a higher level of risk. Scenarios that limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius typically project the large-scale use of carbon dioxide removal methods over the 21st century. There are concerns, though, about over-reliance on these technologies and environmental impacts. Solar radiation modification, (SRM), is also a possible supplement to deep reductions in emissions. However, SRM would raise significant ethical and legal issues, and the risks are poorly understood.